So you're going to make a FlipGrid. So if you haven't done this in a while, you're going to need to go to FlipGrid. Join with Google. Click your name, of course. And we're going to add a response. Allow the camera. When it loads, it's going to show the picture of your camera. We don't want your camera on the screen. Therefore, we're going to go to Options. And we're going to do mic only. Actually, we're going to do screen record. We don't want the camera on, so we can leave that alone. And we can start screen recording. But wait to start screen recording until you have the assignment open. So go back to sample data or whatever your assignment is called. All right, so back to FlipGrid, start screen recording. So I tell it that's the screen I want to record. You can turn off the camera. I'm not sure why it's still trying to show the camera. There we go. So you're just going to explain to people how to do this. So they need to select all the data, and they'll need to sort it by whatever Miss Lee tells you. Obviously, I'm showing you different data. So you go to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Sorting Options. And again, you're just talking through the process, telling people how to do this. So tell them they need to click on, there's a head row, and we're going to sort it by group leader. Sort. And then we're going to come down here to the bottom of the screen, and we're going to click on the, why is it got 2 on there? I'm not sure. Hit on the Add a New Sheet tab, and we're going to call it Group Leader. Back to the sheet. All right, Mariposa, 10. So I come back to the sheet and type. And you don't have to tell them your entire thought process through the whole thing as far as your recording. What you're saying right here for getting these numbers, you don't have to talk through that part. 13. So if you wanted to pause the video while you were making your data table, that's okay. If you wanted to pause your video while you're making a data table, that's okay. But for now, we're going to move on. So I'm going to merge this across. And then while it's highlighted, format, alternating colors. Do I care what color set you pick? Nope, just as long as you've got some alternating colors. Maybe make sure you don't have spelling errors like I did. All right, again, now comes the fun part. Make sure you tell people to select their data table. They need to have the data table selected. And we're going to go to Insert, Chart. Make sure you show them that the chart does need to have a title. The chart does need to have a title and data labels. Now, I don't care if you have them make a column chart or a pie chart. Again, please don't leave it versus group leader. Give it an actual title. Again, I don't care if you have them do it as a column, bar, pie. That's up to you. But you do need to change the series or whatever, depending on which type of chart you used, and make sure it has data labels. While you're at it, go ahead and show them how to add some color so it's not so boring. Again, go ahead and show them how to add some color so it's not so boring. Do I care which one you pick? No. And once you're done, head on back to FlipGrid and